Listen up. If you're tired of pouring money into ads that feel like they're sinking into a black hole, this is for you. Because right now, traditional ads, they're dying, or worse, they're just noise. The audience you're chasing, they don't care about features, benefits, or fancy slogans anymore. They're burnt out, numb, and annoyed. You can see it everywhere. Ad blockers, scrolling past, that empty meh look on faces. You know what that means? It means your dollars are evaporating. You're building campaigns that scream for attention, but barely whisper in the right ears. Frustrating as hell. Every dollar wasted is time lost, the most brutal currency for founders and investors who can't afford to miss a beat. But here's the ugly truth. Your traditional playbook won't cut it anymore. The safe, clean, polished ads, they get ignored. And no, throwing in a catchy jingle or pretty visuals won't fix it. What the hell will? Emotional triggers. Not some vague marketing speak feel-good stuff. Real, raw emotional pulls that grab people where they live, where they breathe, where they fight their own demons every day. Because people don't buy products. They buy relief, hope, validation, belonging. If your message doesn't hit those marks, it's dead on arrival. Here's where you need to get ruthless. Stop selling what you think you should sell. Start selling what they secretly crave, even if they can't say it out loud. Pinpoint that one nail scratching their skin, the one worry that keeps coming back, the hidden frustration they hide behind the polite nod. Nail that feeling. Then hit it again and again. Wrap your message around that feeling until they can't ignore you. Use language that's simple, brutal, honest. Forget fancy words, they're distractions. People want to see themselves in your message, their own mess, their own fight. And don't stop at just one emotion. Layer them. Fear, relief, anger, hope, pride, they all dance in the decision-making process. The moment your campaign triggers a mix of these, you've moved from an ad to a conversation inside someone's head. That's the game changer. Your product or idea becomes part of their personal story. No more strangers yelling in the void. Now this is your battle plan, and it's not popular because it's uncomfortable. You gotta dive into the ugly side of your market, the doubts, the failures, the little secrets people don't share. Use real, sometimes brutal stories. Even your own failures can become your strongest weapon if you tell them right. Let people see you sweat and struggle because that's what makes you human, relatable. And in marketing, relatability is gold. Here's a practical drill. Every message, post, video, or pitch you make, test it by asking, does this make my audience feel something? Does it touch a nerve they're trying to hide? Am I making them think I get them better than anyone else? If the answer isn't a hard yes, scrap it and start over. Emotional triggers aren't some magic fairy dust. You have to research, listen, test, and then strike. Precision is everything. Lastly, stop chasing everyone. Your message will never work if you try to please the masses. Find the few who are burning with that same hunger. Nail their pain, their secret hopes, their bruised confidence. Speak to them like a friend who sees every scar. They will move mountains for your product, bring in others, and build a real network of believers. So ask yourself, are you ready to stop wasting your ad budget on distractions and start connecting like a human? To stop throwing spaghetti at the wall and hit one sharp, deep emotional tendon that drives real action? Because if you play safe, you lose. If you go there, into their minds, their guts, their hearts, you win. No exceptions. This isn't just marketing anymore. It's survival. Cut the noise. Find the feeling that matters, and then use it to build something no algorithm or outdated ad can kill. Your move. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.